In this Python coding video, we will understand the problem 2 of problem set 3 for edX MIT 6.00.1x Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Let's have a look at the question first. Problem 2, getting the user's guess. Next, implement the function getGuessedWord that takes in two parameters, a string, secret word, and a list of letters guessed. This function returns the string that is comprised of letters and underscores based on what letters in letter guessed are in secret word. This should not be too different from is word guessed. Example usage have been provided where the secret word is apple and letter guessed a list has been provided. When inserting underscore into a string, it is a good idea to add at least a space after each one so it's clear to the user how many unguessed letters are left in the string. Compare the readability of only underscore 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 with underscore space underscore space underscore space underscore. This is called usability. It's very important when programming to consider the usability of your program. If users find your program difficult to understand or operate, they won't use it. For this function, you may assume that all the letters in secret word and letter guessed are lowercase. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's begin. We have been provided some skeleton code on which to build our program. We would not need these other functions and the code when we submit our final solution to the edX grader, as we will need to just submit the function that we write for this problem. But as of now, we would start with this file which has been provided to us. Just be aware that we will be submitting only the function getGuessedWord as our final code to be submitted. The function getGuessedWord takes in two parameters, a string, secret word, and a list of letters guessed. So we already have these two values available to us. Guessed underscore letters underscore string is equal to. We start by taking a variable guessed underscore letters underscore string, which will store the letters that have been guessed so far, and we give it an initial value of an empty string at the beginning. For letter in secret word enter. Next we begin the for loop to loop over the letters of the secret word. If letter in letters guessed enter. We put an if condition to check whether letter appears in the list of letters that have been guessed so far, that is in letters guessed. Guessed underscore letters underscore string plus is equal to letter. If the condition is met, then we want to concatenate that letter to our guessed letter string so that we know that all letters have been guessed so far. Else guessed underscore letters underscore string plus is equal to underscore space, and if our condition is not true, then for the else we would concatenate an underscore, as it means that a letter has not been guessed. Also, When inserting underscore into the string, we are adding a space after each underscore, so it's clear to the user how many unguessed letters are left in the string. This is a good idea for usability as suggested in the question. Once the loop is complete, we want to return the string with all the letters guessed and underscores in places of letters where the user was not able to guess the letters. Return guessed letters underscore string. So our function is complete now, but before we submit it to the grader, let's first test it locally. For this, we look at the example usage given in problem 2 and store a secret word with the value of apple. Secret word equals apple. Letters guessed is equal to E I K P R S, and also a list of letters guessed with list elements being E, I, K, P, R and S. Print get guessed word secret word letters guessed. Finally, we make the call to the function coded by us above, passing it the secret word string and letters guessed list as argument and printing the value thus returned. So we run the program. We see that the output we get is underscore space pp underscore space e, which was the desired output. Thus we have verified that our code is correct. If you prefer, you may also want to test the code further by assigning different values to the secret word and letter guessed and see if you get the correct output. Also, before we submit the code, we need to make sure that we have deleted or commented out these statements we are using to test our function, and after that only we do our final submission to the edX grader. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If the solution is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we will try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.